Hi dears, I am Faisal Riaz. It is HP 250 Core i5 6th generation. Often we face a problem that our Wi-Fi card is not working. There are a lot of signals here and there, but in our laptop Wi-Fi card is not working and signals are missing. How can we overcome on this problem? This is HP 250. First of all, we should open backside of laptop, and here you can see this is internal structure of HP 250. This is internal structure of HP 250, and I am searching Wi-Fi card. Yes, this is Wi-Fi card. Often we face a problem that our Wi-Fi signals are not showing properly. This is color picture. Yes, now it's a clear picture. You're seeing that this is Wi-Fi card. This is Wi-Fi card. Every Wi-Fi card in each laptop have two ports. First one is this port and other one is this port. Some Wi-Fi cards have two cables to plug it in it, and some Wi-Fi card have only single Wi-Fi cable. In this case, I have only one Wi-Fi cable. This one. Sorry, this one. If you are facing Wi-Fi signal problem, then you can interchange your Wi-Fi cable from this port to this port, from this port to this port. If your Wi-Fi signals are weak or not functioning properly, then you can interchange your Wi-Fi cable from this port to this port. I also have done this method with this laptop which I have opened for you, and now I will run this laptop. When window will run in this laptop, then you will see that signals are strengthened and there are very strong signals you will see in the window. Now let complete me this practical method. Yes, I have inserted a Wi-Fi cable into second Wi-Fi port, and now I am going to close this laptop and see what happened when we log in into Windows 10. I have pressed power button of this laptop, and let's see what happened when we log on to Windows 10. This laptop is going to be logged. Often many of people face this problem. Yes, Windows has been logged in, and this is desktop screen of HP 250. And let's see what happened when we click on Wi-Fi. Yes, these are Wi-Fi signals. Yes, problem has been resolved, and as you are seeing that there are 100% Wi-Fi signals are showing in my laptop. There are all signals are showing in my laptop. I was very worried when there was no signal in my laptop. Then I decided to open this laptop and I replace Wi-Fi cable from one port to another port, and this laptop is now connected with Wi-Fi efficiently and it is working well. Now I am going to open Google Chrome. Yes, let's see signals are strengthened or not. Yes, signals are totally strengthened, and I am going to browse YouTube. Yes, it is 100%. It is 100% working now. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you are facing same problem as I was facing, then you can resolve it yourself. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. Allah